Morning students, welcome back to your physics class today. Today we are going to discuss projectile motion and its application. So let's see the definition first for projectile, or you can say what is projectile. Projectile is any object thrown into space upon which only acting force is the gravity. Mean when we are going to throw an object is going to travel under the effect of gravity alone. So you can say is a projectile. Or in other words, the primary force acting on the projectile is gravity. Now we having a different type of projectile motion, that is along x-axis or along y-axis. Along x-axis mean horizontal motion, or you can say forward, or along y-axis means vertical motion, or you can say downward motion. So along x-axis means uniform velocity responsible for the horizontal motion of the particle. We'll see with the help of diagram also. We having in next slide we having one diagram is there also. Along y-axis, uniform acceleration responsible for the vertical downward motion of the particle. So these two terms are very important. Or you can say when we are going to throw any projectile, any object, is going to travel under the effect of gravity alone. So its motion may be in two way, maybe along the horizontal or maybe along vertical. That depend upon that situation, ki how we are throwing the object. So see the diagram now. See that we are going to throw the object from point O, and the object is going to reach point B by traveling the maximum height at point A. See that O is initial point from where we are going to throw in the object, A is maximum height, and B is where the object is going to reach. Now we having parabolic motion of the projectile, you can say. So see the diagram that we same diagram that we discussed in previous slide. So for that we have to consider something like let us consider a ball projected at an angle theta. Means when we're going to throw any object and we are throwing that object with the angle theta, and that is with respect to the x-axis with the initial velocity u, or ux, you can say ux means velocity along x-axis. And O is called point of projection. Projection means from where we are going to throw the object. Theta is angle of projection, and OB is maximum distance, or you can say horizontal range. And O to A, or A, you can say A is maximum height. So this is all about for today. I hope you all understand this. If any doubt, you can discuss. Thank you. I hope you all understand these topics. If any doubt, you can discuss with me. Thank you. Thank you very much.